Orbram always make the best Ethernet cable. 26 AWG nylon-braided Ethernet cable is faster than any other 30 AWG Ethernet cables, and there are various sizes for your choice. Made of 50-micron gold-plated RJ45 connector, 4 pairs bare copper and nylon material, which can reduce EMI RFI interference and secure long-distance data transmission. Premium structure allows the Ethernet cable to be flexible and durable. Compared with the round cable, the flat nylon braided cable is more convenient to lay around corners and under carpet to avoid sliding, keeping you away from any disorganized areas. Plug and play lets you get out of waiting and internet disconnection. When you are using it, there is a noticeable change in speed. With the shielded Cat8 Ethernet cable, you can play games with a quick response and enjoy smooth resolution when watching 4K movies.
What makes Jadaol Cat6 flat Ethernet cable so great and unique? First is the shape. The flat design of the cable allows for a cleaner and safer installation. You can easily and seamlessly make the cable run along walls or follow edges and corners. If your walls happen to be white as well, the cable will become barely noticeable once installed. Or you can even make it completely invisible by sliding it under a carpet or between the carpet and the wall. Its flat shape also prevents the cable from sticking out, making it less likely for someone to accidentally pull on it or even trip over it. On top of this, our Jadaol cable is very durable. The flat shape combined with high quality PVC and 100% bare copper wires allow you to bend it around corners without damaging the cable or the wires inside. You can't say the same thing about regular Ethernet cables. And when it comes to its performance, don't be fooled by how slim it is. The Jadaol cable offers a top-of-the-line performance with a frequency as high as 250 MHz, and it can transfer data at a stunning rate of 1000 megabits per second. This cable is compatible with any device equipped with an RJ45 port, which means about 99% of the devices on the market. And rest assured that each purchase is tested individually with this network cable tester before we ship it. We'll make sure that your cable works perfectly when you get it. The Jadaol Cat6 flat Ethernet cable is fast, easy to install, seamless, durable, and comes with a reliable warranty. So why settle for less?